Start by removing the compression clamp. This will free the bonnet from the main body. Remove the bonnet assembly. Next, remove the 3/8 hex jam nut. The poppet seal and retainer can now be removed. The poppet seal will need to be replaced. Now, let's remove the shaft assembly from the bonnet. We will start by removing the bottom half. Now, let's remove the hand wheel. Start by removing the 3/8 16 hex nut. The handle should now come off. Unscrew the bonnet cap from the bonnet. Remove the Teflon packing seal, shaft retainer, and shaft seal washer. Twist the poppet to free it from the bonnet. The Hydraflo is now fully disassembled. Now it's time for reassembly. You'll need your Hydraflo GH50499 repair kit as shown. Insert the shaft seal washer. Insert the Teflon packing seal. Make sure the concave end is facing upwards. Insert the shaft seal retainer with the concave side facing down. Insert the shaft into the bonnet. Now, we will add the bonnet cap. Start by adding the lock washer. Next, add the cap. You may want to add some never seize to the threads. Add the poppet seal to the poppet retainer. Now, you can add the lock washer and tighten down the jam nut. Now, reattach the shaft assembly onto the bonnet. Now, you can replace the envelope gasket. Insert the bonnet assembly into the main body. Add the hand wheel on top of the assembly and tighten the 3/16 16 hex nut. Finally, insert the compression clamp and tighten to secure. Reassembly is now complete. Thank you for buying from Girard Equipment. We appreciate your business.